fake it with. Putting Minecraft parodies on. You know it, gobble gobble. Yo, don't play Shaq. What? Welcome back, sir. I don't feel like recording. I'm drunk. I'm drunk. I'm eating chips, Cheez-Its, crackers, and I've got the hiccups. Right, hiccups. I bet you like that, Gus Baker. Thank you so much for the bits. Thank you for the follow too. Thank you for the bits and thank you for the follow. Oh. Thank you for the other follow too. I already have a video recorded from earlier today. I bet you into this, Gus Baker. I'm sure there's other people into it too. Melanista, if you still watching. I don't know how to clutch a guy because I don't know how to show a guy how to do it for me because the only way it ever feels good is whenever I'm completely alone. Food, a woman's best friend, especially when you've been drinking. You would think he was hiccups or follows night. I don't remember what I said. I sorry. See some TNT and you know I'm about to light 'em. I'm the best survivor when I see mobs, I just fight 'em. Kids Pop! I will not answer that question. Bars. Yeah, honestly, I might be asexual. I might be, because, like, I lose sexual interest in people so quickly. If I'm not bi and, like, more attracted to women than I am to women, probably, if I am bi, then I'm probably asexual. Because part of me is feeling like I might be more attracted to women than I am to men, and I just haven't realized it yet. But the thing is that, like, I can't imagine having sex with someone without having a penis. That's the only thing. And I do find men attractive. Well, although I find more women attractive than men. Holy guacamole! Thank you for the 1,000 bits! I appreciate it! These hiccups though! Thank you so much! Damn, these hiccups are like crazy. Whatever turns you on. True! I don't think I could be with a guy, with anyone without a penis. I've definitely had dreams of being with women with penises. Oh my goodness! Thank you so much again. Oh my god, no good. Oh my gosh, these hiccups are not going away. These are really long hiccups today. That rhymes. Bit dance, bit down, dance. There are ways for women to penetrate one another. True, but still. Damn, you're the real one. Real one. Oh, I appreciate it so much. Oh my gosh, my hiccups. What's this up with all these fur on my Cheez-Its? Almost at 20K. I know, that's crazy. 50 bits left to go. 65 bits? Heck yeah. Thank you so much. Yeah, true. It is well built above 20K by now. No, I don't believe in the flat earth. My